Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to see UK49. If it's the first time, remember to subscribe and to like and share. Yes, you can join our WhatsApp group. This is the phone number you will WhatsApp when you are ready to join. 067 77 29 841. That is the phone number. You will WhatsApp me when you are ready. Only when you are ready, yeah, let's be one community group. Let's make money together. So now we're going to do this. What they have been doing is to take the number, and the first thing they did is to take this number which is sitting there. You do minus, because if you do plus, the number will be bigger. It's gonna be 52. 52 is 25. But when you do minus, it's 24. They are skipping a draw to play our number. They skip a draw to play that 24. And here it is sitting. And this one also is going to give us 23. Right? If you do minus 7, so they took this one which is sitting there. So meaning that if you keep your number, because I always tell you to keep the number, 7 is sitting there. And 23 played as 32. So 3 numbers were in an easy way. Now we are having 35, right? Because all other number previous have been used, and we have also 41. So we're going to play 35 and 41, right? In case they want to add this one is 32. When you add or spin is 23. And when you do minus is 12. When you spin is 21. So these are the numbers coming from here. 35, 41, 12, 21, 32, or 23, right? So that we can win, make money. So that was the secret I found first. Then the second secret, I already found the tea time strategy. I will share it later. The second secret here, we're going to have to add these two numbers which are sitting here. For example, if I add this one, let me see, here is 31 in the row order, then there is 69, then it's gonna be 10 like this. It's 169. Yeah, it's gonna be 100. So that is where 100 is just 10 and 1. Yes, 10 and 1 is sitting there, right? Right. So now we're going to have this one. Remember, it's going in numerical order. In numerical order, the first two number and last two number on tea time. The first two number on Nash, the last two number on tea. Here, for example, is 26. 26 and this one is 780. This 8 is gonna give us 106. 106, so we're going to break it as 10. The first number is a 16, guys. Then the second number is 10 and 6 and 1. Those are the number coming from this strategy. 16, 10 is 6, 1. They can repeat 1 since they played the 1 with 49. And also on a clock strategy, we have that 1 13, 25, 37, 49. This number will keep following each other. They keep coming after another. So now we have 1, 13. 13 is not yet here. 25. This is 25, isn't it? Alright. The 7 and the 49. So now when the 1 and the 49 came, now we remain to check which number among the 13, 25, 37 will follow. Yeah, that's the secret. So 13 is Sunday marches. Since we have 31 here and here. You see it. So let's continue. We're gonna get to the point of this. Alright, so that we saw the second strategy. The third one is take this number which are sitting in numerical order to add them together. Then let's add them together 29, 34. Then you take this 34. You take it and break as a code. 34, it's gonna give you 3 and 4, 30 and 40, 13 and 14. So that's the way this one is coming and this one is coming, right? Then you play the nearby number, which is 35 and the 33. Then they took our 33 and played it on Betway. It was by Baker. 33 was our bank. So, this is 3 and 4. Remember, you add 10 on each single. Let me repeat again because you don't see where it's coming from. So, 34, you divide and make it a small number. It's 3 and 4. Then 3 you add 10 is 13. 4 you add 10 is 14. Right? Then 3 you add 0 is 30. 4 you add 0 is 40. Then 34, the main thing you do, plus minus 1, which is 33 and 35. And 34 you spin it to 43. So that's where we got ourselves a 3 and 4 again. You go nearby number is 2 and 4 and 5. 3, 4, the nearby number is 2 and 5. So that is where exactly we got the number. We have a 5 here, 13 is sitting there, 2 is sitting there, 3 and 4, 30 is sitting there, right? So they use this one on T since it was a 14. Then let's check for lunch. For lunch we have here 53, 60, right? Then we have 60. So 6 is just 6 and the nearby number and the 9. 6 is a 6, 9. The nearby number of 6 is 5 and 7. Then 6 add 10 is 16 or 19. So this is 16 was also another banker of us which come on a Betway. Betway took our 33 and so in case you have like Betway, you can use to play your numbers on both sides. It's better that way. Then remember to divide as well. 60 is 30, as 34 is 17 when you divide it by 2, right? So that is how we got our numbers. Now for today, we're having 56, which is 5 and 6. 15 is 16. 15 is 16 and you can't add a 0, you play the nearby number. 5 and 6, a nearby number is 4 and 7, right? Then 46 as well, because 56 is in the 50s. Now this one, remember to multiply also is a 30 when you multiply. Now this one, we have also one we do minus. Then this one is 21. It's still gonna be 21 or 12. Then you pray the nearby number, which is 20 and the 22. Then you pray 12 and 11. And the 21 is a 20. 10 as well, because the one can be 10. You add a 10 on each single. You multiply the numbers, you add the numbers together, you spin the numbers, then you get your numbers that we count. Among these numbers, we have at least 3 to 4 numbers that we drop today. So those are the simple strategy that we can use to calculate the codes. Now let's go to the simple one. So when you take 8, remember we were taking the first number, you add a 10. So when you add a 10 here, it's 18, which is supposed to drop here. They use it after a draw. Now when you add a 10 here, it's 17, right? Didn't come, so we're going to play 17 today. Alright, so here when you add is 18 again. So we're having a 17, even 18 can repeat as well. So 17 is our first number. 23, 32 is second number. 41 and 35 other numbers. Then 12, 21, 46, 10 or 1. Right? So this one, the first number adding 10, it has been working like almost 2 months. If it stop one day, come back again, it doesn't stay long. Okay. Now, the other strategy that you can use, I always show it to you. You put your numbers in a draw order. You take the number sitting on the second sheet, you add a 4. Then 6 plus 4 equal to 30. Now you take this number, you add it. This number you add 10, it's gonna be 40. Then you add 3, it's gonna be 43, right? So this number are being used on both sides, either lunch, either tea time, and also skipping a draw to play the remaining numbers. So the 40 is here, but 30 and the 43 was not there. So 30 is sitting there. Now, for the second draw, this is 43 or 17. Since we saw 17, it's going to give the room to 43. Because 17 is always a 34. And remember, 34 when you spin is 43. Right. Now, the first number, if you add the 4 here is 24. Add the 10 is 34. And add the 3 is 37. So you can see 34 still show that 43 can come. Remember that we saw 17. If they don't want to play 17, they can play 34, 43. As I always tell you, they like to multiply this 17. 17 is a many number that they like to multiply by 2 most of the time in every lot. So they can play 34, 43, or 17. Yeah. Thank you so much. This was the strategy that I was having for you. Thank you. Bye bye.